I knew it was loud, but goddamn, I didn't think it was that loud.
Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we are changing the oil in my 2015 Mustang GT. Today we're doing it because we have a garage to do it in. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's 100 degrees outside, so apparently I chose a really bad day to do it. But let's go. I am sorry to my roommates. To reset the oil life in here. Okay. Go down to, oops, back. Settings, vehicle, oil life reset. Hold OK. Also, it's only been 3,000 miles since I changed my oil, so don't come at me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Anything specific you want to see on the channel, we're open to suggestions. Oh god, there's a fly. But see you next time.